Which mango boba recipe is a customer favorite at pop-up drink stands? The mango smoothie with tapioca pearls is often the top choice. The mango smoothie with tapioca pearls is popular because it balances sweetness, creaminess, and texture in a way that many people love. The base is usually made from fresh ripe mangoes blended with ice and a bit of milk or a milk substitute to create a creamy, refreshing drink. Tapioca pearls, also called boba, add a fun, chewy texture that makes drinking it more exciting. These pearls are small, round balls made from cassava starch and cooked until soft but slightly chewy. What many people do not realize is that the tapioca pearls need to be cooked just right. Undercooking makes them hard, while overcooking makes them mushy. Adding a little bit of sugar syrup to the pearls before mixing them into the smoothie helps keep them sweet and flavorful. Some vendors also add a splash of lime juice or a touch of honey to enhance the natural mango taste without overpowering it. This combination is not only tasty but visually appealing because the bright yellow mango contrasts beautifully with the dark pearls. One common mistake people make when preparing mango boba drinks is using canned mango puree instead of fresh mango, which can result in a less vibrant flavor and texture. The tip here is to always use ripe, fresh mangoes or good quality frozen mango chunks for the best taste. Another issue is cooking tapioca pearls improperly. Many underestimate the time needed and end up with chewy balls that are either too hard or too slimy, so following exact cooking instructions and tasting frequently during cooking helps get the perfect texture. Lastly, some pop-up stands forget to rinse the cooked pearls after boiling, which can make the boba stick together and lose their chewiness, so rinsing them in cold water right after cooking is important to keep them separate and fresh. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.